A scary fact. By the age of 30, 1 in 2 men and nearly 40% of the women will lose hair because of their genes. But what if I told you there are ways to predict it early, slow it down, and maybe even outsmart it before it's too late? And yes, there are startups right now trying to make baldness obsolete. Stay with me because by the end, you will know both the science and the billion-dollar idea hiding inside your hairline. This is not about bad shampoo or stress. The culprit is androgenic alopecia, better known as male and female pattern baldness. Men lose hair at the front and crown region. Women see thinning on the top. It all comes down to one thing known DNA. Your body has an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. It converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone. If your hair follicles are genetically sensitive to dihydrotestosterone, they slowly shrink until one day they stop producing hair altogether. The problem is shampoos won't fix this, nor the oils. And by the time you notice visible hair loss, you have already lost 50% of your follicle strength. That's why baldness feels inevitable because people take action too late. But what if you could know in advance whether your hair will fall or not? That's where science gets interesting. Today's solutions are limited. Minoxidil stimulates hair regrowth, works for some. Finasteride blocks dihydrotestosterone but only for men under prescription. Supplements like vitamin D, B complex, iron, protein, zinc might help but aren't enough if dihydrotestosterone is active. Hair transplantation is a permanent solution but too costly for most. So the world just doesn't need another cream. It needs personalized genetic based solutions because every person's DNA is unique. A treatment that works for one man in his 20s may completely fail for the other in his 40s. Until now, we have treated baldness like a one size fits all problem. That's why billions are spent every year, but frustration remains. And here is where I see a billion-dollar startup idea hiding in the plain sight. Imagine this, a DNA test kit you order online. It tells you how sensitive your follicles are to dihydrotestosterone and exactly what treatment works best for you. An AI powered hair tracking app. You upload scalp photos and it alerts you before thinning becomes visible. Stem cell therapy startups, reactivating dead follicles, not just slowing baldness. This is not science fiction, and pieces of it already exist, but no one has bundled it into an affordable, accessible, and personalized solution yet. That's a startup waiting to happen. On a personal level, this means firstly, you stop wasting money on miracle shampoos. Secondly, you get early warnings about hair loss. Baldness may be in your genes, but the future of science and startups may let you rewrite the ending. Subscribe if you want to uncover more genetic secrets and the startup opportunities hidden inside your DNA.